Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Huan. My project is Hello Universe, a web app built as part of the CodeU web development pathway. I'm based in Lexington, Kentucky, with experience in microscopes and image analysis. After taking time off to raise my children, I'm returning to the workforce and transitioning into a tech career. For my project, my goal was to use high-quality public resources and combine curated content with interactive visualizations to make scientific data and imagery accessible and engaging. The app is built with Next.js, TypeScript, and CSS. It has 4 key features, each with its own page, and is responsive and mobile first. The What's Up feature shows the latest monthly sky watching tips video, fetched from NASA's YouTube playlist. The video is cached for the month and displayed with its title and description. The iPod calendar shows the astronomy picture of the day in a month's view using the React Calendar library. Monthly data is fetched from NASA's iPod API and cached in local storage. Click a date opens a modal that handles 4 cases. It displays the image, embeds the YouTube video, and links to NASA's archive for non-YouTube videos or other media types. The Mars rover timeline shows each rover as a flip card, sorted by landing date. Users can filter by status and click a card to see camera usage and reference data. The D3 chart shows how often each camera was used, grouped by category. Hovering shows details in the sidebar, and the legend lets users toggle categories. The camera reference table fetches metadata from the Notion API and is built using the React Super Responsive table. The table is sorted by category for easy reference. The contact page lets users send messages. Emails are sent through the Resend API with ZOD validation. Errors are displayed in a single block to prevent layout shifts. One big challenge was to keep the code organized as I added features. I reorganized multiple times and decided to co-locate components by feature, which made the project more maintainable and easier to scale. One key lesson I learned is the principle of don't repeat yourself. I learned to reuse components, logic, and CSS variables, which keeps the project cleaner, easier to maintain, and scale. For example, in the Mars rover feature, I used the dynamic routing. By passing the rover name as a parameter, I only had to write the code once, and it works for all rovers. That's all for my demo. Here's how to get in touch. Thank you very much for your time.